Ever heard of USP Chapter 11? Wondering what it is and why it holds immense importance in the pharmaceutical industry? Well, let's start from the beginning. USP stands for United States Pharmacopoeia, a non-profit organization that sets the standards for the quality, purity, strength, and consistency of pharmaceutical products in the United States. Now, Chapter 11 specifically is a critical piece of these standards. It's all about reference standards, which are essentially the benchmarks against which other substances are compared. These reference standards play a pivotal role in ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. They help us know that the medicine we take is going to work as it should, without any harmful impurities. It's a complex, yet fascinating world, one that impacts each one of us directly or indirectly. Stay tuned as we delve into more details about this critical aspect of the pharmaceutical industry. In the world of pharmaceuticals, the term reference standard holds a significant place, but what exactly does it mean? A reference standard, in its simplest form, is a defined substance against which other substances are compared and measured. Picture it as a reliable yardstick in the realm of pharmaceuticals, a constant amidst the variables. These standards are generally highly purified compounds that have been thoroughly tested and validated. The purpose of this rigorous testing is to establish a benchmark or standard for quality, safety, and efficacy. This benchmark is used to gauge the quality of other substances, particularly pharmaceutical products. Picture a scenario where you are manufacturing a painkiller. You'd need to ensure that every tablet contains the exact amount of active ingredients stated on the label. How would you confirm this? That's where reference standards come into play. By comparing your product to the reference standard, you can verify that your product measures up to the established benchmark. But it's not just about the amount of active ingredient. Reference standards also play a pivotal role in assessing other properties of pharmaceutical products, such as purity and potency. They aid in identifying and quantifying impurities that could potentially affect the safety and efficacy of the product. Moreover, reference standards help in validating analytical methods. These methods are used to test pharmaceutical products and ensure they meet the specified criteria. Without reference standards, these tests would lack a basis for comparison, making them unreliable. Let's look at it from a broader perspective. The use of reference standards contributes to the consistency of pharmaceutical products across different batches and production sites. This consistency is vital, as it ensures that patients receive the same quality of medication, irrespective of where and when it is produced. In essence, reference standards are the bedrock of quality control in the pharmaceutical industry. They provide an objective measure of quality and play a key role in ensuring that pharmaceutical products are safe, effective, and of high quality. So, reference standards are indeed the guardians of quality in the pharmaceutical industry. Now that we know what reference standards are, let's explore why USP reference standards are so important. USP, or United States Pharmacopoeia, reference standards form a critical part of the pharmaceutical industry. These standards play an indispensable role in the development, production, and testing of pharmaceuticals. But what exactly makes them so crucial? To start with, USP reference standards offer a benchmark for quality. They provide a yardstick against which the quality of a drug can be measured. By defining the purity and potency of a drug, these standards ensure that every batch of a pharmaceutical product is consistent and effective. Secondly, USP reference standards contribute to the safety of pharmaceutical products. They help to identify and quantify impurities that might be present in a drug. By doing so, they aid in ensuring that these products are safe for consumption, thereby protecting public health. Thirdly, these standards facilitate innovation. They provide a clear, accepted standard that researchers and developers can work towards. This makes the process of developing new drugs more streamlined and efficient, fostering innovation in the field. Additionally, USP reference standards assist in regulatory compliance. They provide a universally accepted standard that pharmaceutical companies can adhere to in order to meet regulatory requirements. This helps companies avoid costly regulatory penalties and maintain their reputation in the industry. Finally, these standards promote global harmonization. As they are recognized and adopted worldwide, they help to create a level playing field across different countries and markets. This enables the smooth, global distribution of pharmaceutical products, ensuring that patients everywhere have access to quality healthcare. In essence, USP reference standards are the backbone of the pharmaceutical industry. They ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products, while also facilitating innovation and compliance. From the perspective of a pharmacist, these standards help ensure that the drugs they dispense are of the highest quality and are safe for their patients. USP reference standards, thus, play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the pharmaceutical industry. USP Chapter 11 is not just about reference standards, it includes several other key components. Curious to know more? Let's delve deeper into what these key components are and how they form an integral part of USP Chapter 11. First, we have the system suitability tests. These tests are designed to ensure that the entire analytical system is suitable for the intended application. It's like a pre-check before the actual analysis, ensuring that the equipment, the analyst, the method, and the reagents are all in sync and ready to go. Secondly, we have analytical procedures. These are the detailed instructions that describe how tests are conducted. They're the roadmap for analysts, providing clear directions to reach a precise and accurate result. Just as a chef follows a recipe to create a dish, an analyst follows an analytical procedure to test a sample. Thirdly, we have analytical method validation. This is the process of proving that an analytical method is acceptable for its intended purpose. It's like a stamp of approval, confirming that the method is reliable, consistent, and robust. Then we have reagent water. It's the most commonly used laboratory reagent, and its quality can significantly impact the analytical results. Therefore, its purity and maintenance are given prime importance in USP Chapter 11. Lastly, we have instrument calibration and qualification. This is the process of checking that an instrument is working correctly and measuring accurately. It's like a regular health checkup for the instrument, ensuring that it's fit and ready to perform. These components, along with reference standards, form the backbone of USP Chapter 11. They are like the different pieces of a puzzle that fit together to create a complete picture. They ensure that the analytical process is accurate, reliable, and consistent, leading to high quality and safe pharmaceutical products. Each component has a distinct role to play, but they all work together towards the common goal of quality assurance. Each component of USP Chapter 11 contributes to the overall objective of ensuring quality and safety in the pharmaceutical industry. Ever wondered how USP Chapter 11 impacts the work of pharmacists? Let's delve into that. USP Chapter 11, or the Reference Standards Chapter, holds significant influence over how pharmacists operate daily. It's not just a set of guidelines to follow, it's a framework that ensures the quality and safety of pharmaceutical practices. Understanding and implementing USP Chapter 11 can make a world of difference in a pharmacist's practice. It helps establish a consistent quality standard in the production, testing, and distribution of medications. This consistency is paramount because it's not just about making sure that each drug works as intended, but also about ensuring that these medications are safe for patients to consume. Pharmacists play an integral part in the healthcare system. Their role is not limited to dispensing medications, they are also responsible for educating patients about their medications, checking for potential drug interactions, and monitoring patient health. Therefore, being well-versed with USP Chapter 11 becomes crucial. It equips pharmacists with the knowledge they need to ensure that the medications they provide meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Moreover, USP Chapter 11 helps pharmacists stay updated with the latest developments in pharmaceutical standards. It's a constantly evolving document, reflecting advancements in technology and understanding of pharmaceutical sciences. As such, it serves as an invaluable resource for pharmacists to keep their knowledge and practices current. By adhering to USP Chapter 11, pharmacists can also gain increased confidence in their practice. It provides them with a clear roadmap to follow, reducing uncertainties and ambiguities. This clarity not only aids in their professional development but also fosters trust and credibility among patients and healthcare providers. In essence, USP Chapter 11 is much more than a chapter in a book. It's a tool that empowers pharmacists to deliver the best possible care to their patients. It helps them ensure that the medications they provide are not only effective but also safe. It's a beacon that guides them in their mission to deliver quality health care. USP Chapter 11 therefore acts as a guiding light for pharmacists in their mission to deliver quality healthcare. So, we have covered quite some ground on USP Chapter 11 and its significance in the pharmaceutical industry. We've dived deep into the concept of reference standards, elucidating their pivotal role in ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of drugs. The importance of USP reference standards cannot be overstated. They are the backbone of the pharmaceutical industry, setting the benchmark for every single medication that comes into the market. We've also discussed the key components of USP Chapter 11. Each component, from the selection and development of reference standards to their application and maintenance, plays a critical role in the drug manufacturing process. And, let's not forget the profound impact of USP Chapter 11 on pharmacists. It provides them with a clear framework and guidelines to follow, ensuring that they deliver only the best to their patients. Remember, understanding USP Chapter 11 is not only essential for those in the pharmaceutical industry, but also for those who rely on it, us, the consumers.